Welcome guys, so today I am with Samsung Galaxy M13 and I want to show you a few camera tricks on this phone. So at the first I'm gonna show you this additional button that we can add right like that. As you can see, it works the same like this one. If you want to hide, just drag right here. You can also take photos while using these volume buttons, volume up and volume down. If you want to take series of the photo, you have to click and hold the shutter. Oh, actually it's recording video, never mind. So that's how we can record the video while using this shutter button. But if you want to take the photo, you can click and hold on the shutter button. I mean on the volume button, and as you can see it takes 30 photos. When you drag like that, you will take series of the photo. The next step will be about brightness adjustment. So when you click on the screen, you can decrease or increase brightness level on your phone, just like that. As you can see, that's very simple. Next, we can click right here to add filters. As you can see, they change color and the temperature on the photo. You can also adjust strength with this slider. As you can see, it works really nice. When you click right here, you can add between 2, 5 or 10 seconds delay to your shutter, and after this countdown the photo will be taken. Next, we can open the settings, and right here we will find also a few interesting options. Like for example, we can add Gridlines to the screen, and as you can see, they help us to take better composition on the photos. And another option right here, and will be probably useful for you, it will be in the settings, in the shutting methods, and it's this volume key feature. We can change them to zoom in or out and take a look. So you can take photos with them, or you can just zoom in and zoom out. As you can see, that's how you can make it. That's how it works. Okay, and that's all tricks for the Samsung Galaxy M13. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.